Hi everyone, welcome back to ShortGATE. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the first layer of the OSI model, that is the physical layer. It is the foundations of network communications, and understanding how it works is crucial for your gate preparation. Let's break it down and see why this layer is so important. Let's see what is the physical layer. The physical layer, also known as layer 1, is all about the hardware. It defines the physical and electrical specifications for devices, connections, and how data is transmitted as raw bits over the network. It handles how data moves across cables, fiber optics, and even wireless transmitted media. Let's see the role of physical layer. This layer deals with transmitting raw bits, ones and zeros over the physical media. Think of it as the foundation that handles everything from voltage levels to data encoding methods. Without a properly functioning physical layer, the data would not make it from one device to another. Transmission methods in the physical layer. There are different ways the physical layer transmits data. Analog transmission means continuous signals variations over time. Digital transmission, binary ones and zeros transmitted as distinct pulses. The layer also decides whether the transmission is synchronized means time or asynchronous means without timing. At the physical layer, we deal with hardware like network interface cards means NICs, hubs, cables like twisted pair, coaxial and fiber optics, repeaters and modems. Devices makes sure the physical connections is established and maintained. The physical layer also differentiates the transmission media. WAD means includes coaxial cables, fiber optics and transmitted pairs. Wireless means includes radio waves, microwaves and infrared. Choosing the right media affects how data is transmitted both in terms of speed and distances. Let's see the data encoding and modulation. Data encoding is how the physical layer converts digital signals into physical signals for transmission. We have various encoding techniques. That is, NRZ means non-return to zero. Manchester encoding modulations technique like AM, FM and PM are used in wireless communications to carry signals over long distances. Several challenges arises at the physical layer, including signal interface, attentions, bandwidth limitations, etc. I hope you now have a clear understanding of the physical layer and its role in networking. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video for more in-depth explanation. Subscribe to ShortGATE for more computer network content. Comment below with any questions or suggestions you have. In the next video, we will move on the data link layer, where things get even more interesting. Thanks for watching. Understanding the physical layer is the first step in mastering network communication. Stay tuned for our next video on the OSI model in data link layer. And let's keep moving forward.